Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will once again run Alpha One. iBot is a cryptocurrency binary option robot, to say it simply. It's basically trade cryptocurrency. This robot is just amazing and you can have it also. Just use the link you see up there right now. Sign up today, completely for free to sign up, by the way. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Only by using my link you can deposit $100 minimum compared with $250 if you just go in directly. And only by using my link can you get my robot. If you sign up manually, you will not find my robot. It's only by my link you find my robot. Okay. Also, like I said every video, make sure you check out my Forex signal group. Cost only $16 a month, and yeah, I give signals every single day. So it's for Forex, money signals from me. Link below the video for that also. So, like I said, this is a cryptocurrency robot. This one trade mainly cryptocurrency. Do one Forex trade, Forex pairs. I don't know how to speak, I don't know. But yes, this robot is just amazing. And you can see it's a reason, because basically right now it's 50% of the videos I make on my channel is about this robot, and it's a reason for it. It's because it's that good. And lastly, this is a personal favor to me. Make sure you like the video, very important for me. And also make a comment if you have other type of videos you want me to make a comment about it, or any other thing. If you have something on your heart, just put it on the comment field also, because everything helps out my channel also. Okay, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe also. So that's enough babbling from me today. Let's start up this amazing robot and see how we do today. once again, amazing entry for this binary option robot. $3,421 in matter of 7 minutes. So imagine if you could run this robot, how good you will do. So with that, have just an amazing day.